Aloha from Singapore and welcome back to my channel. I want to encourage everyone who is learning ukulele. You know that there's always something new that we are looking forward to learn. And we are always on a journey for greater goal. Either we just accomplish certain goal or we are on the way to reach that goal. But nevertheless, we are always work in progress. I just made some series of ukulele wisdoms. Basically, it's the things that I always keep repeating to my students. And I hope that this series of quotes can be a good reminder, inspiration, and encouragement for my students. Initially, we thought that ukulele chord is just a placement of the fingers on the fingerboard. It's like a chord chart. But when we know more, chord is not a shape, but chord is collection of notes. Once we understand this concept, we know how to build up chords. And once we understand about how to build up the chord, of course we don't need chord chart anymore. And I'm so happy of the progress of my students. A lot of them, in fact, perhaps myself last time, right? We had the difficulty to remember things because we see our fingerboard as strings and frets. Imagine if we understand further than that, we can see that actually there are some logics in the fingerboard. And then perhaps some of us, we just realize ukulele can play even melody, right? And some scale also. Or maybe some simple song. And then from there, perhaps we can make our chord and melody. And then we start playing island style, you know, like as simple as. But after we've got some idea, we realize, oh, I can play strumming and plucking together. And then you play your island strum. And then the more we realize, oh, we can do a lot of more things, we are looking forward for the next one. But don't forget to celebrate whatever we have accomplished. Because at the end of the day, our perpetual goal is to enjoy the process. In this video, I want to share the progress of my students. Some of them are from the intermediate class and some from the strum and pluck class. How they play together with the video track to enhance their rhythm and their tempo, their groove and melody playing. Okay, enjoy this video.